Hello viewers, many people actually want to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE and S9 FE Plus, but the price of these two tablets are very high right now. So they want to know whether the price of these two tablets will come down or not. Flipkart's GOAT sale and Amazon Prime Day sale will commence on 11th of July. In this sale, you will get discounts on Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE and S9 FE Plus, but the price will not decrease as much as you are expecting from these two devices. During last year's Big Billion Days sale and many other sales, S9 FE was sold at a price point of 19,999 rupees, and on the other hand, Tab S9 FE Plus was sold at a price point of 22,000 to 25,000 rupees in Flipkart.com. If you want to know about the best price of these two tablets, in that case the best price of Tab S9 FE is around 20,000 or less, and for Tab S9 FE Plus the best price is around 23 to 25,000 rupees. The main reason behind buying this tablet is multimedia consumption and S Pen in the box. Using S Pen, you can do a lot of productive tasks like writing, drawing and many other things. If you want to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE, in that case the price will be around 25 to 26,000 rupees in Amazon.in and Flipkart.com. On the other hand, if you want to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus, in that case the price will be around 28 to 29,000 rupees. So the question arises, should you buy Tab S9 FE or S9 FE Plus in this GOAT sale or Amazon Prime Day sale? Look, if you have urgency of buying any tablet, in that case you can buy one of these two tablets, but I would request you or recommend you to buy these two tablets during Big Billion Days sale, because you will get more discounts during Big Billion Days sale or Amazon Great Indian sale. Now you have to make the decision whether you want this tablet badly right now, or you can wait till Big Billion Days sale that will occur in the month of September. Hope this video will clarify the doubts that people have in their mind before buying this tablet. If you still have any questions in your mind, feel free to ask me in the comment sections below. I will try to answer those questions to the best of my knowledge. And if you want to know about the best offers on tablets and smartphones, you can subscribe the channel with notification bell on so that you don't miss any video whenever I upload any video. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.